handa na nga ang ating mga enerhiya for today. So without further ado, I have few group of people here whom I would like to acknowledge. As I call your group, please make some noise so we can really warm up this ballroom. Pag narinig niyo ang inyong grupo, mag-ingay lamang para maramdaman ang inyong presensya ngayong araw. So make some noise for Pamodulan Family! Pamorcan Family! Palgulan Family! Almansor Family! Mohiga Family! Where are the Cavite First Family? Nasaan naman ang Cavite Third Family? USC Batch 82! Make some noise for High School Batch 77! Buklod Choir! Kapihira Nappercans! All inaanak, kumares, and godparents, hello and welcome. So now, to grace our red starting off with the eldest sister, Mrs. Glenda Fadri, with the husband, Mr. Emmy Fadri, together with their daughter, Fian Amihan Sanlas, and husband, Chester Sanlas, with the children, Kate and Pride. Make way for the other now capture the moment. Can we have a family photo, please? Kunin muna natin ang pagkakataon ito para magkaroon ng family moment as we all welcome. This is how we jumpstart the day, ladies and gentlemen. A unique